Okay, and here I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. First one was a light soy sauce, and this one's a dark soy sauce. Touch of sesame oil. Just a hint of pepper. Now I'm cooking this for Jack, so I'm not putting a lot of stuff in. Put a lot of pepper in. A little touch of sugar. I'm just going to add a little bit of water into there. And that's his sweet soy sauce for the salmon. Now Jack doesn't eat light green vegetable very much. What I tend to do is I fry the salmon with the soy sauce first, and then I'll wilt in a bit of baby spinach and mushrooms, and hopefully he'll eat it then. He normally does. When I put it in a lasagna or something, he'll eat it. But we're going to try it today with the rice. Okay, pan on. Medium heat, block of oil. And let that come up to heat. And salmon in, skin side down. When you're cooking salmon in a pan like this with skin side down on a wok, try not to disturb it too much, just leave it and it will move on its own when the skin's ready, so therefore it won't stick to the pan. Literally about minute and a half in a medium heat. That should then reduce it, but when you shake it you can tell. I normally leave it, I do about a minute each side, so 4 minutes, and let the salmon rest. That should be nicely cooked then. There you go. When you want to turn it, just shake the pan. When it's ready to release, it will turn itself over. You can see that's just over a minute, and that's cooked almost halfway. Now that's ready to move. Then we just move that forward to there. No need to add any salt or anything to the salmon, because the soy sauce will give it flavor later on. Now if you want to cook that a little bit, move that to there. Beautiful. Same on this side. Very quick, literally 30 seconds. Now done. So beautiful. Okay, and I think that side is nice and brown. Now we're gonna go for the skin. Give it another minute there just to crisp up the skin a bit, and that's perfectly looking. meat off. That's done. Beautiful. Gonna go in with soy sauce. Mashing with the salmon. Just simmer that on medium heat. So what that does is it just coats it the outside with a lovely sweet glaze of soy sauce. No need for herbs or anything, or garlic. That's beautiful right there. Wow. Put the salmon right in there. Pans. In this pan here I've got just a little bit of soy sauce and water. And I'm going to wilt down the baby spinach. Soy sauce just to add a little flavour to the vegetables. Okay, I think that's done. Okay, this is basically Jack's dinner for tonight. Okay, so Jack's gonna test out his salmon now. Come on, ready? Just chew it, and then how many fingers up or down, you let me know, okay? But you got to taste it first. Oh, he's got a bit, oh, thank you. He's got a bit of a temperature today. Okay, let's eat the salmon and then, so is that a 2 thumb up then, or 1.5?